However, in truth, its primary purpose was to allow each nation to demonstrate its military strength in a small-scale mock war. Three friends, Naruto, Sasuke, and Sakura, successfully applied the teamwork they had developed during their previous missions to pass the first and second tests. For their third test, they were matched individually against other ninja for the right to advance. Naruto was pitted against his Ninja Academy classmate, Kiba Inuzuka.
Words, that's what happened.
I'll never lose to the likes of you.
That place had boy.
Easier said than done.
That's what Hashirama
Let's see what you can do.
Big ass